What are the benefits of sleeping naked? Sleeping is one of the most important activities for our health. Lack of sleep can be detrimental to the health. However, did you know that sleeping naked provides even more benefits than sleeping with clothes? Less than 10% of Americans sleep naked. Sleeping naked has some amazing health benefits, physically and psychologically. Benefits of sleeping naked. 1. Improves sleep. People who sleep naked have better sleep than the ones who sleep with clothes. The body temperature naturally declines, and if your ear closes, it disrupts that cycle. As a result, you toss and turn, and have irregular sleeping patterns. On the other hand, sleeping naked will promote the sleep quality and you will sleep like a baby. 2. Prevents bacteria. Sleeping naked will prevent the growth of yeast and bacteria. Moreover, it will dry out the spots of perspiration and keep the body comfortable. 3. Promotes weight loss. If you sleep naked, your cortisol levels decrease, you sleep better, and that promotes the weight loss process. If you want to shed some pounds, you have the solution. 4. Feeling more frisky. The skin-to-skin contact will increase the bonding hormones such as oxytocin and make you more sensitized to your partner's touch. Moreover, it will strengthen the feelings of trust, connectivity, and lower your heart rate. 5. Boosts the energy. Having a good night's sleep will increase your energy levels, which will last throughout the whole day. 6. Reduces pain. Sleeping naked will stimulate circulation and reduce the pain, especially in the abdominal area. You will feel comfortable and without pain, so you can sleep tighter. 7. Improves the skin's repair processes. If you sleep naked, the skin will repair itself more easily, the sebaceous glands will work at full capacity, and your skin will absorb nutrients more quickly. As a result, your body's metabolic rate will improve. There you have it, benefits of sleeping naked. If you like this video, hit that like button and share it to your friends. For more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.